Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best County Route 2032 batteries that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Duracell County Route 2032 Batteries. Duracell says it makes its County Route 2032 batteries with high-purity lithium for long life. Duralock Power Reserve technology gives the batteries a 10-year guarantee in storage, and they even have a bitter-tasting coating to help keep children from swallowing them. High-purity lithium would ostensibly be preferable to a contaminated variant. We can't corroborate whether Duracell's lithium is particularly special or not, but the County Route 2032s do enjoy a reputation for being long-lasting, especially in smaller devices. Most verified buyer write-ups use Duracell CR2032s for car key fobs. In this capacity, they seem satisfactory. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sony County Route 2032 Batteries 20-pack. Sony serves up a 20-pack of pedestrian County Route 2032 batteries at a bargain price. Sony makes no claims that the batteries are particularly special. The deal leads with quantity. As well, the manufacturer has since discontinued the item, leading to a unique availability situation. The 220 mAh capacity batteries come in 4 blister packs of 5 cells each. They are classic lithium manganese dioxide batteries. Beyond that, there's not much to tell. Notably, this appears to be some kind of wholesale or liquidation item from Sony. As of this writing, the brand no longer listed County Route 2032 batteries of any kind on its website. That means that packages of differently aged batteries are indiscriminately available. At number 3, we have the LiCB County Route 2032 Batteries. LiCB may not be a household brand name, but it makes a case for respectability with its County Route 2032 batteries. The cells are CE and RoHS certified for product safety, have a 3-year shelf life, and come in 2 packs of 5. The batteries are very popular and overall highly regarded. The only quality complaints that exist are the typical ones: instances of batteries dead on arrival or short life. But more or less, the complaints are as sparse as they are with most of the bigger brands. At number 2, we have the Nightkonic County Route 2023 Batteries. The Nightkonics are nothing special. Not nickel-coated, no special technology, just the thing itself. A 230 mAh capacity is the only semi-noteworthy spec. The brand differentiates the product with quantity at the price point. As of this writing, you couldn't get more relatively reliable County Route 2032 batteries for cheaper unless you perhaps went through illicit channels. Even then, I'm not convinced. If you made your product much cheaper than the Nikonics, the crime wouldn't be worth the payoff. At any rate, the vast majority of all negative comments are typical: short or no life in some pieces on delivery. Complaints are similarly dispersed as more expensive competitors. For your money, Nikonic might be the way to go, if you want a lot of extra ammo. And finally, at number 1, we have the XLUX Rechargeable LIR 2023 Set County Route 2032 Batteries. Increasingly, we're paying the price for reducing our carbon footprint and increasing lithium extraction. The process is highly water-intensive, and lithium is a non-renewable resource. Instead of churning through County Route 2032 batteries, dropping the dead ones off at an approved recycling center, try a rechargeable LIR 2032. Be aware there are a couple critical performance differences between the two. First, rechargeable LIR 2032s sometimes achieve higher voltage than County Route 2032s. That means they may not be compatible with every device. LIR 2032s use higher voltage because their capacity is not as high as County Route 2032s. That being said, they won't last as long. Users should calibrate their expectations accordingly. The trade-off is a reusable, lower performing item versus a single-use, potentially highly performing item. The charger indicates battery status with LED lights. Some users are skeptical about the charger. It's important to note it's possible to misuse the charger. Putting regular County Route 2032S in it can cause a short circuit. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.